Right, we are going to unbox a parcel, and this parcel is coming from Isabela. So this is a native orchid that I ordered from Jeremy Ramos of Isabela, and this is in transit for 2 days. 2 days because if you try to look at this, no, it has been subjected by air cargo by Philippine Airlines. That's why this is only in transit for 2 days. So actually this was subjected to transit last July 12, and it arrives on July 14. So that's why it is only for 2 days in transit. So at this point, let us try to check. I hope that the orchid still in a very good condition because it has been subjected by air cargo. Okay, so let us now open the box. Okay, so Sir Jeremy Ramos is actually part of the circle of Macpol Native Garden. Okay. So I paid for the shipping fee amounting to 385 pesos. Okay, so the amount of the SF is 385 pesos, and this is worth 2,000 pesos. Okay, so the amount I paid for an orchid is 2,000 pesos. Okay, so this is now the orchids or the orchid. Okay, so it has already been placed in so this is a fern, and of course the orchid is still very good, no, the condition of the orchid is very good, and this is Grammatophyllum speciosum. Grammatophyllum speciosum. Okay, if you try to look at it, the leaves or the structure is like Wallisii, no, Grammatophyllum Wallisii, but this is, though this is a Grammatophyllum, but this is speciosum. Okay, so try to look at this. I am so happy to have this one, no. Let us try to fix the orchid. Okay, and it has been already placed in a fern, no, this is a fern. And then I hope that the roots inside are already stable so that we could be able to place this automatically on the media that we are going to place this one. Okay, so thank you so much, Sir Jeremy Ramos, for this, and I hope that I could be able to let this orchid bloom at El Paraiso. And of course, I am so happy because this is the physical condition of the orchid is excellent. So thank you so much, and I hope that we could be able to have more like this because there are so many what they call this one, no, varieties when we talk about Grammatophyllum. Actually, I have already 3 Grammatophyllum at El Paraiso. One is Wallisii, second is Speciosum, and I don't know the third Grammatophyllum. However, thank you so much for watching, and of course, I would like to say thank you to all my subscribers who keep on watching my videos, and of course to the loyal members of Dukdil TV. Thank you so much for still being a member of Dukdil TV. And of course, for the visitors, no, for the individuals who newly discovered the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever I have new videos relating to growing and cultivating orchids, you will be notified.